The angle of elevation of the top of a building from point P on the ground is 60 degrees. Point P is 20 meters away from the base of the building. Find the height of this building. Well, we can use the ratio opposite over adjacent. So tangent of 60 is x over 20, so x must be 34.6 meters tall. The angle of elevation of the top of a tree from a point A on the ground is 45 degrees. From a point B, 5 meters closer, the angle of elevation is 60. Calculate the height of the tree. Let's call the distance from B to the base of the tree x. We can write the equation tan of 60 equals h over x. We can also write tan of 45 equals h over 5 plus x. We have a pair of simultaneous equations. I'm going to make h the subject in both equations and equate them. That means that x times the tangent of 60 equals 5 plus x multiplied by the tangent of 45. Expanding brackets and moving the terms with x to the left, we can make x the subject. If x equals that, then the height of the tree equals x times the tangent of 60. The tree is about 11.8 meters tall. From a gondola G, the angle of elevation of the summit is 47 degrees. The gondola travels in a path inclined at 30 degrees to the horizontal. When it has gone higher up the mountain 1 kilometer from F, the angle of elevation of the summit is now 58 degrees. Calculate the height of the summit. Let's call x the horizontal distance from the foot of the summit to point G, where the gondola starts from. Let's call y the vertical distance from F to the summit. We want to figure out the height, which is y plus 1. We can divide x into two parts. To calculate z, we use the tangent ratio. Z equals 1 over tangent of 30. Z is approximately 1.73 kilometers. Now that we know z, we can write two other tangent ratios, one for the small triangle and another one for the big triangle. This is a pair of simultaneous equations. Making y the subject of the first equation and replacing it into the second one, we end up with an equation like this. We multiply both sides by x, we replace tan of 58 with 1.60 and tan of 47 with 1.07, and we solve for x, approximately 1.34. If x is 1.34, then the height of the summit is 1.34 times the tangent of 47, approximately 1.44 kilometers. In our next video, we will use the tangent ratio to calculate the angle between a line and the x-axis. Stay tuned. Want more practice? Access full courses, quizzes, and worksheets in the link below. Happy learning!